everyone, it's Cleophia again and welcome to Crafting Shed. For today's tutorial, it's a very easy and quick project. It's this slanted cowl. This is from the leftover yarns from my most recent post, the poncho number 12, and it's enough for a cowl, so I just did a very simple pattern, and that's what I'm going to show you today. This can be a standalone cowl that you can wear on a different top. Or you can pair this with a poncho with the same color and it looks like just one piece. And this way you have the option to take it off, and when it's colder you can put it on. And now let's get started. For the materials, I used the Caron Big Cakes yarn left over from my most recent post, or you can use any number 4 medium weight yarn. And this is in boysenberry color. I use size I 5.5mm crochet hook. I also use a pair of scissors, blunt needle, markers, and tape measure. Let's start with a knot and chain 40. And this is now 40 chains. Row 1, single crochet in second chain from hook. So 1, 2, single crochet in this chain, single crochet in the next chain, and in each chain across. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back when I'm done with row 1. And this is now what my row 1 looks like. Row 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, double crochet in the first stitch right here, skip the next stitch. So skip this one and 2 double crochets in the next stitch right here. So 2 double crochets, 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Skip the next stitch, skip this one, and repeat the pattern, 2 double crochets in the next stitch again. So 1 and 2 in the same stitch. This is what it looks like. Skip the next stitch and repeat 2 double crochets in the next stitch. 1 and 2. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. I'm here now towards the end of the row, so just continue with the pattern. Skip the next stitch, 2 double crochets in the next stitch, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. Now to end this row, skip the next stitch. So skip the next stitch right here and just double crochet on the last stitch right here. So this is how to end row 2, and this is what row 2 looks like. Row 3, chain 1, turn, single crochet in the first stitch right here, single crochet in the next stitch, and in each stitch across. So just a simple pattern of single crochet in each stitch across. So repeat this pattern across. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back towards the end of the row. And I'm here now towards the end of the row. Just continue with the pattern, single crochet in the next stitch and in the next stitch here, and then the last single crochet would be on top of the beginning chain 3 right here. So this is how to end row 3, and this is what row 3 looks like. And from here, just repeat rows 2 and 3 consecutively until your piece measures about 24 inches. So I'm going to continue my work. I'll be cutting off the video and I'll be back when I'm done with 24 inches of my piece to show you the next step. And this is now what the piece looks like at 24 inches. It's not very clear in the video, but the piece is actually slanted, or the lines or the pattern is slanted. So if your piece is slanted, then you're okay. Fold the piece halfway, and the edges are not straight because of the slant. So fix the piece so that the edges will align like this. And then we're going to sew these edges together. So sew these edges together, or attach these edges together to form a ring using single crochet. And it would look like this after the edges are sewn together using single crochet. And we're done. So weave the ends, clean up the tails, and we're done. And this is now what the piece looks like, all cleaned up and all done. So as you can see, there's a slant in the pattern, which adds a little bit of creativity on the design. And let me flip it to show you the other side right here. So this is what the other side looks like. So for the measurements, measures about 12 inches in width and 12 inches in length. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like this video, and please subscribe.